we will find the LCM of 8 and 12 using prime factorization method. This method is systematic and good for small to medium numbers. Please follow the below steps so that you do not make any mistakes. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of each given integer individually. Let us find the prime factorization of 8. Start dividing 8 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 8 exactly, we get 4. Again, start dividing 4 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 4 exactly, we get 2. Again, start dividing 2 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 2 exactly, we get 1. Stop here since 1 is reached. Finally, collect all the prime divisors or prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 2 and 2. Therefore, prime factorization of 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Similarly, let us find the prime factorization of 12. Start dividing 12 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 12 exactly, we get 6. Again, start dividing 6 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 6 exactly, we get 3. Observe, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1. Stop here since 1 is reached. Finally, collect all the prime divisors. In this case, they are 2, 2 and 3. So, prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Got it? Step 2. Identify all the distinct prime factors among the given integers. In this case, the distinct prime factors are 2 and 3. Step 3. Identify the maximum occurrences for each distinct prime factor. Observe, 2 occurs in the prime factorizations of both 8 and 12, but it occurs more times in the prime factorization of 8. So, we take 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Got it? 3 occurs only in the prime factorization of 12. So, we take 3 as it is. Step 4. Multiply all the prime factors using their maximum occurrences. Therefore, LCM of 8 and 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. gives you 24. Got it? Thank you for watching. For depth understanding of LCM and HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist.